Spring rolls or lumpiang Shanghai is a Filipino-style spring roll made of either ground pork, chicken, beef, and vegetable filling wrapped in thin crisps called lumpia wrappers. It is delicious bites of savory goodness and comes in all shapes, sizes, wrappers, and fillings. It is traditionally enjoyed with a choice of dipping sauce, and they are so tasty and addictive you would be hard-pressed to eat just one piece. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna combine the minced pork and beef plus the minced vegetables. I'm gonna add the celeries, and I'm gonna add the seasonings like 1/2 teaspoon of salt and some garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And at least 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, plus 2 medium-sized eggs. So I'm gonna combine it by using my hands for properly mixing the ingredients. And once done, we're gonna start the wrapping session.
Show me one like that. You put like that.
Nag-hold the camera nila, my love.
That's too much.
That's too much.
The
Inside.
yeah,
Okay.
half of that. Main dish.
Magbablog, magod ni si
Remove
Ate
some
Yol Ly.
more. First or else, yeah, the
Can
meat
ako
would-
tika na
can get
one.
me one grade.
Ako take video.
Yol Ly, can you show me how to do it first?
Show me the meaning. Can you teach?
Spoon about 1 heaping tablespoon of meat mixture on the lower end of the wrapper that is closest to you.
Oh, ganun pala yan. Para po ko nakaibaw mo nating anaon di eh.
Wet the remaining edge of the wrapper with a dab of water or egg to completely seal it.
What is the other way?
Okay na pa I just put this one. Ewan ko kung saan niya nilagay
Like
yung
that
laki
really?
niya.
Don't have the triangle way.
Do not overfill the wrappers to ensure quick cooking. And roll the logs as tight as possible to prevent grease from slipping in. So fold the bottom of the wrapper over filling and continue to roll tightly into a thin log about 3/4 inch thick.
Hindi mo makita.
Then you just seal with the egg na. Seal with the egg. Seal with the cheese.
Yeah. Not egg. The egg. Huh? Seal the egg with the kiss? Ken! Ken! Delayed reaction, ha?
Yara, I have to think about it. What is it? What's there? Ah, I don't know. You're going to put down.
And make sure to use fresh spring roll wrappers and have the habit to check the manufacturing dates on packages, as the older the wrappers get, the less pliable and the harder they are to roll. In a pan over medium heat, heat about 2-inch deep oil and add lumpia in batches and cook, turning on side if needed, for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Always watch your temperature. If the oil is too low, the lumpia will absorb a lot more grease. And if the fire is too high, the wrapper will burn before fully cooked.
Video? Nagpa-video-video niya yun. Kaya mo.
Uy, hindi ka tayo dyan ha.
Yeah? Not my face. Like that, Ken. I like this in my hand. Really nice.
Because Albert is
Don't be shy.
How is it? How's the taste?
How's the chili adobo?
Healthy one. It's not healthy one.
It's a healthy
So nice.
Who made
Strawberry,
this one?
strawberry.
Give.
Wow.
What's
Well,
the
the talent
Vodka?
of the...
No, but very little.
30 ml.
30, ate.
I should have eaten to lumpia only. I should have not eaten rice.